In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add buffer times in Calendly. Alright, so this is simple to do. And firstly, you want to make sure that you are signed into your account. And then you want to go to scheduling and we want to open, let's say, this first schedule. And we are going to click on the three dots next to it. Then you want to click on edit. And from this window on the right side, we want to go to more options. And then you want to find, it's over here, limits and buffers. It's under description, so you can click on it, open it. And from here you can click on set buffer times. So you can choose, let's say, I don't know, 5 minutes before event. And also you can change, I don't know, let's say 5 minutes after the event. All right, so this is how you can add buffer times. And then you want to save the changes. And now it should be added to your meeting. All right, so this is how you can add buffer times in Calendly. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.